Hi everybody, Samantha Schreiber, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, coming to you today with a new card tutorial. Today we're going to make this Love Cats card. This is a very quick and easy, simple stamping card tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy. Today we'll be making these cards. I'm making these for each of my customers to mail with their catalogs, and we'll be using the Love Cats stamp set, the Happy Label stamp set, the Scalloped Contours dies, and the Opaque Adhesive back gems. We'll also be using the Dandy Designs 12x12 Designer Series paper. So first we'll start with cutting our Designer Series paper. And this is the one that I will be using. Okay, and we'll be cutting this at 5 1/4 by 4. So I cut all of my paper at 5 1/4 by 4 because I like having that white border around my card. Then next we're going to take our card base. So this is an 8 1/2 by 11 piece of white cardstock that's cut in half and then folded in half. So we're going to adhere this to our card base. And just put that right in the middle. Then next we are going to cut our scallop circle that we'll be stamping our cat on. So we're going to use a second to the largest scallop die. I'm going to grab my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and my plates. So I have my plate 1 and 2, and then I have my 3 1/2 inch piece of cardstock. I'm going to put my die on that and use my other plate 2. And we're going to run that through the machine. I'm doing this with my left hand right now, so it's a little bit harder for me. And move that out of our way. And then we have our scalloped rectangle. Next, I'm going to grab my Stamparatus. I'm getting new magnets tomorrow, actually. Mine broke and I've been using this one, but it doesn't work as well. So we'll grab our cat image. I'm going to take my scalloped rectangle. Let me put this here. And then lay my cat across. And there's one more thing that we're going to do. Because I noticed when I was stamping this one, I was getting a little bit of a halo image from the rubber on the side. I just want to take a piece of my Post-it tape and cover that up a little bit so that it doesn't stamp onto the scalloped image. So I'm going to place that where I want it, and then we're going to adhere that to the top. I'm going to get my Memento ink. And this helps if you put a stamp set underneath to kind of hold it steady. I'm going to ink up our image. I feel like with this stamp set, you really can use the Stamparatus with it. It doesn't always ink up that crisp, clean image the first time. So as you'll see, there's a lot of white spots in it. So we're going to ink up this image a second time. And then as you can see, we have definitely a much crisper, clearer image. So I'm just gonna place this to the side. Then next we are going to stamp our cinnamon. So for this, I use the You've Got the Biggest Heart cinnamon. We'll place our image down once again. Stick it up top that time. And lay out where I want my image to be. I'm going to press down. Okay, so this one's really sticky, so I'm going to do this again. And this is what I mean with this magnet that I had found while I'm waiting for my replacement. Doesn't work as well with the Stamparatus magnets. I feel like that wouldn't have happened. It wouldn't have lifted up with it. So it's gonna do it again. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay. I'm just gonna stamp this again. And with the cinnamon, I only had to stamp it once when I was making these. I got a good image the first time. I feel like it's just the bigger images you really have to worry about. I'm gonna put that aside. And next we'll take our card base. We're gonna take this. Actually, let's use our, I forgot, our dark, I think it's Fresh Freesia Stampin' Blend. So yes, we're gonna use our dark Fresh Freesia Stampin' Blend. And I'm gonna color in this heart first. And then we can adhere this to our card base. We will put that in the middle. Then I'm going to grab our gems. So our opaque adhesive back gems. Okay, and take a large one. Put it there. And then we'll take a medium white. They come in 3 sizes. Put that there, and then I'll take one of the little tiny Fresh Freesia ones, and we will put that up there. And that's it. This is a very simple, quick and easy card. And I do like both sides of that paper. I feel like they both go really well with the card design. So I did use both to send out. I hope you guys enjoyed this card tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my channel, you'll be alerted when my other card tutorials are posted, and I hope you have a great rest of your weekend.